boys and girls. Today is our last video of the week, and we are going to be talking about another way that we can measure different things. So far this week, we've talked about two ways to measure. We've talked about how we can measure items in length, and we've talked about how we can measure items in weight. Today, what we're going to be talking about is how to measure using capacity. What is capacity? Capacity is the amount a container can hold. For example, we have 4 types of units that we're going to use when we're talking about measuring in capacity. We have cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Cups are going to be the smaller version of the unit. Gallons are going to be the biggest unit that we're going to be talking about. And specifically, boys and girls, we're really going to be focusing on cups and gallons. Milk can be purchased in each size. Do you know what each size looks like? Well, I know that some of you have been to the grocery store before and you've seen a gallon of milk. You can also buy gallons of orange juice and gallons of tea and other different beverages you can buy by gallons. You can also buy certain things in the grocery stores in cups, pints, and quarts. And here's a picture of what they all look like. If you notice the cup carton that's right here, you notice that sometimes when the cafeteria doesn't have the plastic milk bottles, you sometimes get a carton of milk that looks similar to what you see in this cup picture. There is 2 cups in every pint, and there are 4 cups in every quart. And I wonder how many cups would be in a gallon. Do you know how many cups would be in a gallon? There are going to be 16 cups in a gallon. So 4 quarts could fit inside of a gallon. Now we're going to talk about which one would be most appropriate when we are giving a situation. Which customary unit would be best to use to measure the capacity of the juice served at a graduation party with 100 people? Would we talk about should we buy cups, quarts, pints, or gallons? If we're going to serve 100 people, well, probably our best situation to choose would be gallons. Now, if there's 100 people drinking, would we need about 10 gallons? Or 2 gallons? Well, we're probably going to choose the 10 gallons if there's going to be 100 people. Which customary unit would be best to use to measure the amount of milk served with each school lunch? Cups, pints, quarts, or gallons? Think about even the plastic containers that our milk comes in at school. Is that going to be closer to cups, pints, quarts, or gallons? Well, it's going to be cups. Which is the best estimate for the cups of milk? In your little plastic carton, or if you were to get a paper carton that looks similar to this picture, would that best hold about 1 cup of milk or 12 cups of milk? 1 cup of milk would be the best answer. And our last situation. Which customary unit would be best to use to measure the capacity of a child's plastic swimming pool? If we're going to fill up a kid's swimming pool, would we use cups, pints, quarts, or gallons? Well, we're probably going to use gallons. Which is the best estimate for the pool? 10 gallons or 168 gallons? If we're filling up the swimming pool, 168 gallons would probably be more accurate than just 10 gallons. 10 gallons probably wouldn't even be enough to really get up to your ankles, depending on the size of the pool. So that's all we have for measurement this week. I hope you guys have learned something, and if you have any questions, reach out to me or your homeroom teacher. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I cannot wait to see you guys on Google Meet. Bye!